Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. I do wig reviews here. I do tips, tutorials. I have chats about hair loss. I'm just here for my hair loss and wig sisters in any way that I possibly can be. And this video is our next giveaway. So I'm about to give away a wig, the one on my head. If you want to know more about this wig, stick around. So the first thing I'd like to say is if you're new here, I would sure appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel and like this video. It helps my channel so much. And I try so hard to put out good content that helps my wig wearing sisters. The more people who subscribe to my channel, the more YouTube sees that it has value. So if there's one thing you can do to help out a YouTuber that you appreciate, subscribe to their channel. All right, this giveaway is so exciting. This wig was donated to me by a wig sister. She actually gifted it to me. And I love it, but it's not my color. And instead of letting it sit in a box until someday when it might be my color, I just thought I'd bless someone else with it. So this is our giveaway this month. And some months I do more than one giveaway. And so you might want to stay tuned to see. I have actually some really fun things in store with giveaways coming up. This color is 38. It's also called Cool Ash, I think they call it. It's basically a light brown with about 25% gray. I actually just filmed my review of this one. I think maybe the giveaway is going to come out before the review. I'm not really sure. I have a lot of wigs to review, and so I'm not really sure on timing. So if my review of this style is out, you will find that linked in the description. If it's not, then it won't be, and you can watch for that to come. If you want to register for this giveaway, please go down to the description. There's an arrow right below the video that you click on, and it will drop the box down, and it will give you all the details. I use raffle code. Oh my goodness, you guys. I just had a hot flash. Whew. And now I'm sweating. Sorry, whoever's going to get this wig. No, that's okay. I have a wig cap on. We're good. It's real life, you guys. We're real people. It's all good. Anyway, so if you go down to the description, you will find a link to Rafflecopter. You click on that link, and it will take you to the page where you can register. I ask you for your name and email address. I will never share your email address with anyone else. Please, please, scam alert, please. I will only email you from my email, which is heywigsister@gmail.com if you're the winner. I will not comment on the video. I won't comment on one of your comments. I won't ask you to go some random website to claim your prize, and I won't ask you for any money, not even for shipping. When I do giveaways, they're 100% a giveaway. I will not ask you for any money. I am so blessed by some wig sisters who donate periodically to me to help pay for shipping, to help pay for equipment, to help just finance this because it's kind of expensive what I do here. I'm never going to pass that cost on to my giveaway winner. So please don't be scammed. If you ever have someone, what is happening is people create fake accounts. They steal my picture, they put my name somewhere in it, and they make you think that it's me commenting on your comment. And then they create a fake account somewhere else like Telegram with my name and tell you to go there to message with me. Don't fall for it, you guys. I will never do that. I will only email you from my email, heywigsister@gmail.com. No other version of it. If you're not familiar with the scams that are out here on YouTube, I have multiple videos, so please go check those out and protect yourself. All right, enough of the sad stuff. This is fun. Please register if you'd like this wig. Please also look below in the description for ways you can support me. If you are a fan and you've gotten help from my videos and you think what I'm doing is worthwhile, I have lots of ideas for how you can support me, and I would sure love it. Even just prayer is good. Thanks so much for being here, you guys. I appreciate you, and good luck if you register for this giveaway. I'll see you in my next video.